Okay.
Yay!
A few moments later.
Good morning, everyone. Once again, I'm here at McDonald's and here at somewhere here in Caledon. So we're going on our first destination, and we're riding in a car. So look at the McDonald's here in Canada. There you go. This is McDonald's, and this is the big parking lot for that one. And we are going to the Sauble.Beach. Look, they're riding in a car.
One hour later.
Hi there, once again, speaking Favreau. We're here in the Sauble.Beach and I'm here live. And on my back is the Sauble.Beach there. Check it out. There you go, this is the Sauble.Beach. Rain or shine. It's raining right now. And it's in the car. Here you go. And these are my friends out there. Here's my other two friends here. Mister.
Hi! Thank you!
There you go.
We're here!
Yeah, we're here in this.
Rain or shine!
Yeah, it's rain or shine here. So you see the environment there. There's a 3 cars over there, over here. There you go. I'm going downstairs there. So that's gonna be good there. I don't know how if I can go down, but I'll try my best. Okay, see you. Back to you later.
Later.
Yeah, we're now outside and eating our lunchtime here at Sauble.Beach. So ito ang food namin. And this is the one car here. Ayan, kumakain sila. Mga kasama ko po. Subo pa more. Ayan. Dito na po sila. Ayan, ito yung next car. Tingnan nyo, daming laman, payong. Kasi talaga umuulan dito, guys. Ayan, ito pa yung pagkain. Yellow, mamita. Tapos ito pa yung pangatlo. Ito si mamita. At ito ang pamikit. At ito kanyang mahal. Ito si mamita at ito ang kanyang mahal. Ayan, ito yung pagkain. O, di ba kuya? Subukan mo naman si mamita. Ikaw talaga. Si mamita na rin siya. Nagbibideo ako. Hi!
Hi!
Oh, di ba? Oh.
Para siya naman ang mag-blowout next time pag may bayad na siya.
Anong bayad yun?
Subscribers mo? Ilan na?
Teka, silipin ko sisi ha. Ilan na daw subscriber ko? Ayan. Welcome po sa aking mga members out there. Mega love shoutout po sa inyo lahat dyan. Ayan. Ito po ang tubig. Ayan, si Sisi Grace. Yan. Thank you. Ayan. At ito si sister. Ayan yung family nila, isa pa. Uy, ang cute! Grabe! Carrera. That's nice. There you go. there. So we're just eating right now. And we're just having fun here in Sauble.Beach. Rain or shine. Okay, back to you later.
One eternity later.
Nandito na kami sa beach. Ayan na. Ito na ang beach, Sauble.Beach.